Most of the world believes the Wright brothers invented the first airplane in 1903. But what if the story isn't so simple? Today, we'll explore the true history and the surprising claims from around the world. On December 17, 1903, Orville and Wilbur Wright made history at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Their plane, the Wright Flyer, became the first heavier-than-air powered, controlled, and sustained flight. They successfully combined three essential elements: power, lift, and control. Documented photographs, eyewitness accounts, and surviving notes all confirm their groundbreaking success. This is why, to this day, the Wright brothers are still recognized worldwide. But not everyone agrees. Meet Gustave Whitehead, a German-American inventor who claimed to have flown a powered aircraft in 1901, 2 full years before the Wrights. His plane, called Number 21, reportedly flew short distances in Connecticut. Some eyewitnesses wrote detailed accounts, and local newspapers even reported on his tests. However, there are no verified photographs of his flight in the air. Because of this, many historians consider the evidence inconclusive. So, despite some intriguing reports, the wider aviation community largely credits the Wrights. Now let's travel to India. Here, Shivkar Bapuji Talpade is said to have flown a heavier-than-air aircraft called the Marut Sukha way back in 1895, years before the Wright brothers even started their experiments. Enthusiasts claim he tested it in Mumbai, and proponents say Talpade's work proves India's early and significant contribution to aviation. But just like with Whitehead, there is no concrete contemporary documentation of a successful flight. Historians consider Talpade's claims largely unverified. While the story is fascinating, the evidence just isn't strong enough to rewrite the history books. Aviation history is full of experiments, prototypes, and near flights. From gliders in the 1800s to steam-powered models, inventors all over the world were pushing the limits of what was possible. The question of who was first really depends on how we define it. Are we talking about the first powered flight? The first controlled flight? Or the first properly documented and sustained flight? The debate continues because history is rarely black and white. Whitehead supporters argue for his priority. Talpade enthusiasts highlight pre-Wright achievements. Meanwhile, the Wright brothers remain officially recognized due to their thorough documentation and, crucially, their reproducible results. Understanding this debate teaches us the importance of evidence and critical thinking when we look back at history. So, who really invented the airplane? The answer isn't simple. But one thing is clear. The dream of flight inspired brilliant inventors all around the globe. Who do you think deserves the credit, and why? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.